In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your circle. So membership. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to your Circle.so account, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. Head over to their website, and on the homepage, you'll see the login option. Enter your email and password or use any other linked method to log in. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard and your journey to deleting your membership begins here. The next step involves accessing your account settings. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture right there. Go ahead and click it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your membership and account preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you reach a section ominously titled Danger Zone. Don't worry about the name. It's just where the more sensitive account options are located. You'll find an option here that says Delete Account. Go ahead and click that, but keep in mind that this is a serious step. Deleting your account is permanent, so be sure you want to proceed before you continue. Now, if you're prompted to confirm your decision, Circle.so may ask you to type in your account name or email address. This step is a security measure to ensure that you really intend to delete your account. Input the required information and review it to make sure there are no mistakes. After typing in the necessary details, you'll see an option to confirm or delete. By clicking this, you are finalizing the deletion process. Remember, this action is irreversible, meaning once you delete your account, there's no going back. Double check to ensure this is what you want and then confirm your choice. Finally, once the confirmation is complete, your membership will be permanently deleted from Circle. So, you should receive a notification to let you know everything has been successfully processed. Take a deep breath, your account is now deleted. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough on how to delete your Circle.so membership. Remember, this action means you'll lose all data and content associated with your account, so proceed with caution. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Circle.so's support team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.